Hello, class 8. This is your chapter number 13, active and passive voice. You all remember that I said you all to read all the tenses very carefully and thoroughly. Why I said you all? Because in this chapter, you will see the usage of all those tenses. Alright, so if you have not read that chapter, please read all the three chapters and then come to this chapter. Alright. Now let's start what is given in this chapter. Read the following sentences carefully. Rita cut the cake. The children ate it. They sang a song. So in this you can see Rita is the subject, cut is your verb, the cake is the object. Likewise, the children is subject, ate is verb, it is object. Then they is subject, sang is verb, a song is object. So in these above sentences that is given here, the subject Rita, the children, they do the action. They are the doer of the action. They are doing the action. Alright. So sentences in which the subject performs the action and object receives it are said to be in active voice. What I said? Sentences in which subjects, like in the above you can see Rita, the children, and they are the subject, they are performing the action and the object is receiving it. So in these sentences are said to be in active voice. All right, now see, when the subject of the verb is the doer of the action, then it is said to be in the active voice. Now see, verbs are used in the active form. The action is expressed directly. The emphasis is on the subject of the verb rather than the object. You can see here Rita, then here children, and here they. Alright. Now what is then passive voice? When the verb in a sentence shows that the subject is not the doer of the action, the sentence is in passive voice. Means when the subject receives the action of the verb, not the object. Alright. Then it is in passive voice. Like, see, the cake was cut by Rita. So here you can see the subject is not the doer of the action. Alright. And now the subject is receiving the action, not the object. Then here it was eaten by the children. A song was sung by them. And one thing usually you will find by in passive voice. Alright. Now, we generally express actions in the active voice. We prefer to use the passive voice when we do not know who has done the action. Like, my bag was stolen at the fair. It is not clear here that who has stolen the bag. Then the cyclist was hit by a racing truck. Means it is not clear which truck hit him. Alright. The announcement was heard, so it is not clear who is making the announcement. So here when we don't know who is doing the action, then we write the sentence in passive voice. The action is more important than who did the action or what caused it. All right, then now read this following notice. It's a notice given here, just read it once. All right, it's not that much important. Then see this feature part. Verbs which require a direct object to complete their meaning is called transitive verb. I hope you remember this. We have done this in chapter verb. Like Neeta found her mobile. Intransitive verb do not require an object to complete their meaning. Jagan is an engineer. John is sleeping. Alright. Now let's see the important facts. Transformation of sentences from active to passive form can be easily done if some few points are kept in your mind. Okay. See, Rita threw the ball. How it will be changed? The object comes here, the first position. The ball was thrown by Rita. And how these changes how this verb is changed, we will see that in next page. It is given for different kinds of tenses, how the verb is changed. Alright, so don't get confused here. Now, see this features. While changing a sentence from active to passive voice, many points need to be kept in mind. Now, what are those? the object of the verb in the active voice become the subject in the passive voice. I told you this. Rita cut the cake. So here Rita cut the cake. What is your object? The cake is your object. Here you can see the place of the cake. All right. Then the form of the verb is changed in accordance with the tense. I told you it is changed according to the tense. And don't get worried, don't get confused. You will see a table, and according to that you change it. Okay. The subject, now see the third point. The subject of the active voice is expressed as by plus agent in the passive voice. I told you by plus agent. Okay. There's a pronoun table also. We'll see both. Okay, now see this exercise A. What you have to do, you have to identify it is given in active voice or passive voice. See, to find it out, the best thing is to search with by. If you see by word in the sentence, then it is in passive voice. See the first one, Shoma has won a scholarship. It is in active voice. Second, Sheetal writes novel, active voice. Our house was renovated by an interior designer, passive voice. Fourth, Diana reads classics, active voice. Fifth, the house tax was paid by my father, passive voice. Sixth, the classroom was cleaned by David, passive voice. Seventh, I rang the bell, active voice. Eighth, the principal gave away the words, active voice. Okay. Now, the next thing that you have to see is subject verb agreement. Alright, you have to see subject verb agreement as well. Means the subject and verb should agree with each other. Means if it is singular, subject is singular, verb has to be singular. If it is plural, verb has to be plural. Alright. Now see here, this table, this is very important, very important table. According to the tense, how you change from active to passive voice. See the grow word is used in active and passive both. If suppose it is in simple present, I hope now you all know how to find it out if a sentence is in simple present, present continuous, present perfect, or any kind. I hope you know this. So if it is in simple present, means grows form, then passive, if it is changed into passive voice, it will be his grown or are grown. Means his are, sorry, is, are, am, whatever the subject is, and then past participle form of the verb is written. Alright. Now, if it is in present continuous tense, how to find it out? It is in present continuous, is, are, growing. This is the form. Then, if you have to change it into passive voice, it will be is, are, being grown. One thing extra is added, that is being. Then, if it is in present perfect, has, have, grown. This is the form in which present perfect is written. Then, if you change it into passive voice, what will be the answer? Has, have, been grown. Then present perfect continuous doesn't have passive voice. Then simple past, if it is grew, then what will be the answer? Was, were, grown. Past continuous, was, were, growing. Passive voice, was, were, being grown. Then past perfect, had grown, had been grown will be the passive voice. Again, past perfect continuous doesn't exist in passive voice. Simple future, will grow, will be grown. Future continuous doesn't exist. Future perfect, will have grown, will have been grown. I hope this is clear to you all. Now this exercise B, rewrite the following sentence in the passive voice. You do it by yourself. Alright. I am just dictating it. If you can write it down, just write it down. Alright. The first sentence, Jumman waters the plant every day. You can see waters. It is in simple present tense. So what will be the answer? The plants are watered by Jumman every day. Then the second sentence is, he throws the weeds away. What will be the answer? The weeds are thrown away by him. Then he digs the soil. The soil is dug by him. He also plucks flower and collect them carefully. This what will be the answer? Also the flowers are plucked and collected by him carefully. Alright. Now see this exercise C. I will dictate it to you, then I will show you it in written form. See, read out the following sentence in the passive voice. First is, the teacher uses the cubicle. What will be the answer? That cubicle. That cubicle is used by the teacher. Second, Mahesh sketched the map. The map was sketched by Mahesh. Third, Ramesh had borrowed some money. What will be the answer? Some money had been borrowed by Mahesh. Fourth, Neha is selling fruits in the market. The fruits are being sold in the market by Neha. Then fifth, Ramu was growing apples in the orchard. Apples were being grown by Ramu in the orchid. Then sixth, Dinesh will paint a landscape. A landscape will be painted by Dinesh. Seventh, Nora was playing cricket. Cricket was being played by Nora. Eighth, a group of scientists is conducting a survey. A survey is being conducted by a group of scientists. Alright. Now I'll show you the answers in written form. If suppose you have not followed any of the answer, just write it correctly. Please write all the answers correctly. As you know, your paper is objective and subjective both. So write all the answers correctly. Pause it for some time and write the answers properly. Alright, let's move further. Now see here, the next topic is change of verb form in passive in different kinds of tenses. First is simple present tense. In active, you will find the form call, calls, and passive, it will be is, are, am, called, the past participle form of call. Alright. Now see, Riddhima eats biscuit every evening. Biscuits are eaten by Riddhima every evening. So this is the way we write it in passive voice in simple present tense. Now in exercise D, what you have to do, you have to fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verb in simple present tense. See the first answer. Indian Premier League matches are played by many teams. Second, all the swimmers are trained by experienced coaches here. Third, the earthquake victims are provided shelter and food by the government. Fourth, the students are called now for a magic show to be held in the hall. Fifth, the Republic Day is celebrated enthusiastically by all Indians. Okay, now exercise E, what is there? It is a festival time and the family is preparing to celebrate Christmas in a big way. Read the following sentence and fill in the blanks with the simple. Again, you have to fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verbs in simple present tense. See the first one. The floor is mopped and the carpet is cleaned. The Christmas tree is kept in the middle and is decorated by all the children. A big star is hung at the entrance and cookies, cakes, wafers are served to all. There is happiness and cheer in the air. Candles are also lighted and all are given gifts. Alright. The next is simple past tense. You know, in active it is in form of called and passive was, were, called. See the examples. The artist sketched the portrait. What will be the answer in passive form? The portrait was sketched by the artist. See the B part. He packed the vases. The vases were packed by him. Now what you have to do in exercise F, rewrite the following sentences in the passive voice in the simple past tense. First, the parrot was kept in a cage but soon fell ill. A veterinary doctor was consulted. The bird was given an injection, some medicines and a guava. The fruit was eaten by it later and it soon looked better. The children were told not to trouble it at all. Alright. Now see exercise G. Again you have to do the same thing. You have to fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verbs in the simple past tense. The huts were repaired after the flood water receded. Now see the next page. Second, the scholars were awarded for their good work in the field of literature. Third, the letter was posted by my sister yesterday. Fourth, the pulses were soaked before they were put into the grinder. Fifth, the show was postponed for 2 days due to bad weather. See, somewhere I've used was, somewhere I've used were. I hope you have no confusion with it because we have just done subject work agreement. According to the subject, we have used the verb. Alright, students. Now the next is simple future tense. In active form, it is will call. In passive form, will be called. Alright. Now see the example that is given here. The old lady will distribute blankets among the needy families. Blankets will be distributed by the old lady among the needy families. Now what you have to do in this exercise H, you have to fill in the blanks with the passive form of verb in the simple future tense. Okay. Now let's start doing this exercise. The cleanliness monitor announced in the class that the uniforms of all the students will be checked. Every morning, the identity cards will be collected only when the bus routes are to be changed or there's change in address. The furniture will be used properly by all the students as per the principal's instructions, and they will be responsible for any damage. Small pieces of paper or any rubbish thrown in the rooms will be picked by the students at the end of the day and put in the dustbins. Students of the class which is the most tidy will be given an award during special assembly. Alright, I hope these exercises are very easy. You just have to fill it in the passive form of the verb as the direction, as per the direction. Then exercise I, again it is same. You have to write the passive form of the verb in the simple future tense. See the first one. An interesting story will be told to the children in the evening. Second, the names of the winners will be announced after 10 minutes. Third, women and children will be protected first in case there are floods. Fourth, the babies will be given a bath only if it's not too cold. Alright. So this finishes our exercise I. Now let's see present continuous tense. So if it is an active voice, it is, are, am calling. Then passive is, are, am being called. Okay. See the example. Saroj is calling Geeta to the garden. Geeta is being called by Saroj to the garden. Alright. Now again exercise J, you have to fill in the blank with the passive form of the verb in the present continuous tense. Okay. See the first one. Crackers are being burst by children in the courtyard. Second, the newspaper article is being edited by the editor himself. Third, the social workers are being served fruits by the manager of the orphanage. Fourth, many celebrities are being invited to the award giving ceremony. Again, same thing you have to do in this exercise K. You have to fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verb in present continuous tense. First, the new shampoo is being promoted by a famous film star. Second, all the trains are being diverted due to dense fog in some areas. Kites are being made for children for 15 August celebration. Fourth, a new school is being established to impart free education to children. Fifth, the boundary wall is being painted to give it a new look. I hope these exercises are not tough. You just have to fill it according to the directions. Okay. Now, next is past continuous tense. If it is an active form, was, were calling. Passive, was, were being called. Now, see the example. The carpenter was cutting wood. What will be the answer in passive voice? Wood was being cut by the carpenter. Okay. See this exercise L, what you have to do, fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verb given in past continuous tense. Saplings were being sowed by farmers in the farm. The fields were being irrigated to ensure that there was sufficient water supply. For uninterrupted water supply, the tube wells were being switched on. It seems the crop would be ready in few months for harvesting. See, every verb subject was in plural form, so that's why we have used were everywhere. Now see this exercise M, you have to do same thing, fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verb given in past continuous tense. Flowers were being plucked to prepare garlands. Second, the cars were being parked properly to avoid any problems. Third, food packets were being distributed to flood victims by army jawans. Fourth, seats were being booked for the special magic show. Fifth, the clothes were being washed properly. Alright, I hope you all are getting these exercises. I'm going a bit fast, I know, because this chapter is very lengthy. Alright, but these are not tough. If you just go through it, it's not tough. Okay, next topic is present perfect tense. If it is an active voice, what will be the form in which it will be written? Has, have, called, and passive, has, have, been called. Now see the example. The auto rickshaw driver have declared a strike. What will be the answer in passive form? A strike has been declared by the auto rickshaw drivers. Don't get confused why in active it was have, in passive it is has, because if you see the subject, according to the subject we have used the verb. Alright. Now see this exercise N. What you have to do, you have to fill in the blank with the passive form of the verb in the present perfect tense. Antibiotics have been prescribed by the doctor. Second, the shoots of the apple tree have been pruned. Third, high-rise office complexes have been constructed in this area. A big well has been dug in the village. Exercise O, filling the blanks with the passive form of the verb in the past perfect tense. First, it's done for you. The fan has been repaired by a mechanic. Second, the ground has been cleared of all the protesters who had gathered there. Third, the books have been arranged on the shelf. Fourth, the computer has been updated by a computer engineer. Fifth, this car has been designed by an expert. Alright. Next is past perfect tense. If it is in active voice, in which form it is written? Had called, and passive, had been called. Okay. See the examples. The officers had informed the ministers about the completed project. In passive, the minister had been informed by the officers about the completed project. Now filling the blanks with the passive form of verb in the past perfect tense. First exercise, one, the museum had been closed for the public by evening. Second, the letter had been issued to the employees to be punctual. Next, see the third one. The sofa set had been dry cleaned much before the function. Fourth, the chef had been instructed to prepare authentic Italian food. Again in this exercise Q, you have to fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verb in the past perfect tense. The kitchen had been cleaned before mother arrived. Second, the house had been decorated much before the festival. Third, the babies had been given polio drops by the end of the previous month. Fourth, the canal had been dug to irrigate the fields by last week. Okay. Now the next is future perfect tense. In active it is will have called, and in passive will have been called. See the example. The contractor will have constructed the dam before the onset of rainy season. How we write in passive form? The dam will have been constructed by the contractor before the onset of rainy season. Exercise I, what you have to do? You have to fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verbs in the future perfect tense. Now see the first one. All unauthorized colonies will have been demolished by the end of the month. Second, the new suit will have been stitched by the tailor by the end of this week. Third, the flag will have been hoisted before the cultural program begins. Fourth, the lawn will have been mowed by this evening. Okay. Again, I told you that one pronoun table will be there. This is also important. Let's go through it. If it is in active form, I. In passive, it becomes me. We becomes us. He becomes him. She becomes her. They becomes them. You and it remains same. Alright. So let's see this example. She ate the pudding. The pudding was eaten by her. They played cricket. Cricket was played by them. Okay. So like this, we have to do this exercise. See this exercise S. Change the following sentence to the passive voice. First, they inspected the academy. What will be the answer? They becomes them. I hope this is clear. And inspected, it is in past tense, simple past. So what will be the answer? The academy was inspected by them. Second, you are holding a picture. A picture is being held by you. Then third, I sang a song. A song was sung by me. I becomes me. Fourth, he covered the book. The book was covered by him. Fifth, they bought a dog named Polly. A dog named Polly was bought by them. Alright. So students, I'm doing it till here. I think we have done a lot of exercises. Till exercise S we have done. Just go through all the exercises and you will find these are actually very easy. If you have understood all the tenses, then this exercise is very easy. Just go through each and every line thoroughly. This chapter is important, and as I told you, your paper is objective, subjective both. So just learn according to that. All right, we'll meet in the next video, and in the next video we will finish this chapter. So students, bye and take care.